Look
we are
at that.
changing the combination.
That's
why
amazing.
We'll just finish that. This one we do.
So this is the air pressure that which is using to remove. And
this is going to Punjab and Haryana market for the sick
what's
people.
The reason? Okay,
for sick people, they will put it in
bind
their
up in the
beard and head.
Okay. So now they are going to remove it or dip it. Look at that. So these are the rubbers where all the multicolors, yellow, red, green, everything is just chopping with the blade. You can see in the finger bands to protect their fingers from injuries.
We're going for packaging purposes.
Okay. Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. This side Alen. So you can see these are the rubber bands where we use day to day our life, and this is Mr. Jacob. He's the founder of this Angel Rubber Factory. It's completely industrial rubber, right? Industrial things. Yes. So he's going to explain what are the things he's going to manufacture and everything. So could you tell what are the things?
So these are the end products that we are manufacturing. This is rubber bands.
Okay.
So normally this is going for packaging purposes.
Okay.
Including agriculture, industrial packaging purposes.
Okay.
And also we are manufacturing these finger caps. That's for household uses in Kerala and all.
Okay.
And also we are manufacturing household and industrial gloves.
Right.
For gardening, agriculture purposes and all.
Okay.
I can show you the samples of that one also.
Definitely. So we are moving inside the factory. So basically, the beginning you collect the milk, right? The rubber.
Yes.
After that?
After that, we'll process it to one in processing called creaming.
Okay,
so
creaming.
Like I previously mentioned that in rubber there is 70% of water. So we'll separate the water from rubber.
Okay.
Like we don't need water, right? So we'll separate the pure rubber content from water. Like it's around 50-60% rubber. We'll separate it.
Okay.
And we'll add chemicals, color, everything to that rubber, and we'll do the dipping process.
Okay. So all the molds, is this made up of iron or plastic?
Plastic. These molds are made up of PVC only.
PVC. Okay, got it. PVC. Okay.
Yeah.
So after collecting the milk, you will remove the water content. You will make it cream.
We'll concentrate it.
Okay.
70% water. We'll reduce the concentration of water.
Okay.
And we'll add chemicals and color to it.
Okay.
And we'll collect it in this kind of tanks.
Okay.
And we'll do the dipping.
So basically, what are the main colors which are green, red and yellow?
Yeah, this is for rubber bands.
Okay, rubber bands.
And for gloves, we do like orange and black colors.
Okay, orange and black colors.
Yeah. And also for household gloves, we'll do blue, red, yellow.
So now they are going to remove it or dip it?
Now we are going to dip it. We need to get the required thickness, right?
Thickness, okay.
Yeah, around 4 or 5 dips we have to give in this latex to get the required thickness. This is for rubber bands. This is going for Nepal market.
Okay. So across India also you are transporting?
Yeah, we are exporting also to other countries like Nepal and all. And for Dubai also we are doing, and for Thailand market also we are doing.
Okay.
Every market needs different products. So based on their requirement, we'll do the manufacturing for different products.
So initially you collect the latex, and after that what you do?
Yeah, that's kind of diluted latex that we directly get from the trees.
Okay.
We'll collect it from the field, we'll bring it here and we'll pour it to that big tank.
Okay.
Where we'll remove the impurities. Not this tank,
the previous one.
From there we'll remove the impurities by adding chemical.
Okay.
And from there we'll collect it here and we'll add some
this
chemicals
completely
for
into cream.
Yeah.
The concentrated
one.
Okay.
From the trees we'll get very diluted latex.
Okay.
That's I have previously mentioned. It's around 70% of water. From here we'll make the concentration to 30% of water.
Okay, got it.
We'll increase the concentration of latex by adding some chemicals, and we'll treat the remaining water and we'll separate.
So initial steps start from here.
Yeah.
So you collect the latex, then you transfer to tank, remove the water again, you make the concentrate by adding chemicals.
Yes.
From there you transfer to different
we'll add some different colors. What is based on the customer requirement, we'll add color, add different chemical, different based on different specifications.
So all these drums have different compounds, like different composition of chemicals.
Yes.
Okay, so you can see how beautifully they are dipping into this. Look at that, all this PVC molding is dipping in, and that's green and that's red and this yellow. Once that's dried completely, it will be in a bright color, right? Bright color.
Yes.
So now it's in light color, and that's because that's mixed with the latex, and you can see that's manually they are doing. So what is this?
This is for industrial purpose rubber band.
Big
size.
Okay, big size.
Yeah. Normally we don't do the manual kind of dipping. This is for we are changing the color, everything.
Oh, look at that.
Changing the combination.
That's
we'll
amazing.
We'll just finish this one, we'll do the manual dipping.
Okay, so look at this, how slowly, gently she's pulling it up, and she's dipping according to the thickness,
Yes,
right?
correct.
So once the thickness is enough, she will be removing and dry it up. So how you guys are drying it? Hot sun?
Normally we'll do the tubes and all is dried in air only by using the sunlight.
Okay.
After the cutting purpose, we'll put the rubber band in dryers. I'll show you the dryer.
Okay.
This is ball mill.
Okay.
This is where the
What is
chemicals
the
are
uses?
chemicals are mixing.
Okay.
Inside that there are small stones. Used to rotate, and they will scatter the chemical particles and we'll mix it.
All the chemicals were explained previously on Malayalam video.
Yeah,
if you are okay with Malayalam, you can go and watch that, because the supervisor
normal
explained,
chemicals like we are using what is sulfur, zinc dioxide, ZDC,
okay,
and ZDBC. These are the common chemicals that we are
which
using.
you using.
Yes.
Okay. So that is the reason why that's having a property of all the products, like thickness, elasticity,
and temper,
Yeah.
like tensile strength. Everything is achieved by adding these chemicals only.
Okay. So what I observed, before you dipping into the compound,
Yes.
you will be mixing with acid, right?
No. Only
What
after
is that?
that is the process of stripping. Like that is acid actually. So this is rubber is in very liquid form, right?
Okay.
So in order to achieve that temper, like we need to convert from liquid to solid form.
Okay.
So in order to achieve that solid form, we will dip the latex, that material, into that acid, and it will solidify immediately.
Got it. So
And it
before
will
that, you need to dip it so that you can easily remove it.
Yes.
Okay.
First we'll dip it in the acid, then into latex, and from that we'll dip in the acid, and then the liquid form will be changed to solid form. It will easily solidify.
Got it. So this is all completely dipped and waiting for removal.
Yes.
Okay. Or drying.
No. After removal only we'll give the
Drying. So is this dried completely now? No.
Not completely. Yeah.
Okay. You can have that stickiness now.
Yeah.
So you can see all these colors. So these are the colors for the finger brands.
Yes.
Okay. So the rubber band you have different colors.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's fluorescent kind of color.
Oh.
This is fluorescent kind of rubber
Okay.
band.
So this is a fluorescent color of what we call this?
Fluorescent colors.
Fluorescent colors. Okay. So look at that. So these are the rubbers where all the multicolors, yellow, red, green, everything is just chopping with the blade. You can see it's all chopping into different colors, and this is the one we are using day to day our life, and all the rubber products. So gloves, rubber bands, and what are the things that we have? Finger brand.
Yes.
Okay, so these are the products they are just
We
making.
are doing all the dipped manufacturing, every product we are doing. We are also doing household also. That's not here actually.
Okay.
It's in another unit. That's it.
Okay. So we will go and check how they are removing. So before removing, you need to dip into the water, and after that, yes, tell me.
Yeah, we'll just give the air for removing that one.
Okay.
This is how
So
we
this is
remove
the
that
air
thing.
pressure that which is using to remove, and you need to place into the nail where you need to separate itself, because there is a chance of getting binding together. That's the reason you need to separate and put it into the sun. That will be dried up completely. So that's the way that she's removing, and we are just moving outside where they are drying it completely. And look at that.
This is how we remove the rubber
All
band
the
tubes. That's using water. That's how we remove the
so
rubber tube.
that's the tubes
Rubber
where
band.
it's used for chopping the same way. All these are bigger one, right?
Yeah. Industrial kind of.
One. You can see
This
this
is for North Indian market only. This
So-
is going to Rajasthan.
in Kerala you have good market.
Not in Kerala. Majority of our customers are from North
Out of
India.
Kerala?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Is there any customer like you told? Okay, Nepal also, like out of country
Nepal
also.
we are sending Myanmar, we are sending, and sometimes to UAE also we are
Ah,
sent, and from
great.
Thailand also. we are
Thailand
using,
also. Yeah, huge rubber consumers.
Yes.
So this is actually biodegradable compared with
Yes,
plastic.
yes.
So you can use
In
it.
Thailand they are using manufacturing these rubber bands.
Yeah.
But they are using different technology. This is a dry rubber,
Okay,
like rubber sheets.
Sheets.
They are used for manufacturing rubber bands. So
This is the direct latex which you are tossing into.
This
that.
latex material is having good color compared to the dry
It's
rubber.
like all culinary arts, in the chef they are using like hotels, all the kitchen area, they are just placing the finger bands to protect their fingers from injuries. So this all are the drying process where you can see all the colorful one, where very attractive, they are having a beautiful factory where all the value addition happening. So I hope you understand, and previously we discussed all the plantation, rubber plantation. You can go and watch that. He's having a beautiful plantation of rubber. From there, he's adding the value addition where you know he having a lot of products like finger bands, rubber bands, and gloves, which is used for industrial
I'll
purpose.
show you some samples of gloves.
Sure,
also.
sure. We'll go and document that also. Alright guys, I hope you understood each and everything, whichever I explained. You know, we visited the factory. These are their final products. We can see a lot of you know, hand bands and a lot of things. So could you explain?
This is industrial and house gloves.
Okay.
This is for going for agriculture purposes, construction, everything. For every purpose we are manufacturing.
According to the size.
Yes, yes. This comes with various thickness and length also. So according to customer specifications, any length we can manufacture.
Okay.
And this is household gloves, going for gardening purposes and household like cleaning utensils, cleaning purposes, hospitals, everywhere. This is going.
Okay.
And these are rubber bands normally going for. This is going to Punjab and Haryana market for the sick
what's
people.
The reason? Okay,
for sick people, they will put it in their beard and head.
Okay, okay,
This
got
is
it.
small black color
So
rubber
the black
bands.
rubber bands, which is going to Punjab, and this is a.
These are going for packaging purposes, like
got
everywhere, banks, everywhere. There's shopkeeping, everywhere. Normal this rubber bands.
So bank they have used a lot of things because to bind the knots.
Knots and all. Yeah. And Nepal market they going that small color, golden color, the same size, but it will be in golden color only.
Okay.
They'll use it for putting in chutney and all.
Okay.
Chutney packets.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. And milk packets. They will use it.
Yes.
Golden color rubber bands. That's going for export. Normally in export market they will prefer golden color, natural color.
Okay. So you have lot of colors accordingly. You know, customer.
Based on the customer requirement, we will change the colors. Every specifications we can do.
Okay. Okay. So I hope you understand each and everything. So these are the things. I'm going to give his details on the description. You can connect him for all these products, whatever the industrial rubber materials. You can connect him. So that's all the information where. We just visited the beautiful factory, and you can just connect him for purchasing all this. And that's all about today's video, and see you with another beautiful video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.